Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to London, England. We're going to London, we're going to Brixton, we're partying with Bobby's and Drills. Today we're going to London, we're going to bring you guys with us, vlog everything, so you guys better stay posted and stay tuned. But make sure to like, subscribe, and after you subscribe, to click that bell so you guys will be notified every time we make fire videos. Let's go. So guys, now that I have all my clothes, we just gotta make our bag. And put you in. And now the bag is completely ready. We put everything inside. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm so tired. I have to wake up at 2:45 a.m. Good morning, everybody. It's 4:10 in the morning, and now I have to get ready. So I'm gonna hop in the shower, get changed and everything, and I'll catch you guys when I'm gonna leave. We're leaving, and the Uber's here because I'm getting fast. As we arrived at the airport, my brother came with us, and I almost fell asleep in the car. Look at these designs, bro. Look at the designs. But yeah, there's not a lot of people compared to other times, but yeah, so hopefully it goes smooth. I'll keep you guys posted. So guys, we just crossed security. Wow. My dad crossed security, and now we'll walk around a bit, get a coffee, see where our gate is. And yeah, whoa, show you a little montage. So we passed everything, ladies and gentlemen. Past security, past everything. Now we're already here where all the, the gates are, and now we're about to go to the bathroom. Just waiting for my dad. Guys, we're in the plane. I fell asleep at 12 in the night, and I woke up at 3:30. So I'll sleep 3.5 hours. I'm gonna try to sleep the whole flight. See if I can. But yeah, I hope I get some quality sleep. Catch you guys when we land in London. Ladies and gentlemen, we made it to London.
Welcome to Brixton. I'm in the party with Barbies and Drillers.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're past security, and now we're just gonna change the money from euros to pounds. We're on the shuttle, ladies and gentlemen. It's a really nice view. We got a little sunset. But yeah, right now, where are we going? To the central? South terminal, to the train station, huh? To the train station, so we can go to downtown London and where our hotel is. So ladies and gentlemen, we're at the train station, London, Gateway. We're waiting for our train. Comes in 6 minutes, and we already got the tickets. So yeah, and in my wallet I have 5 British pounds, and I have 10 British pence. So yeah. We're on the train with a bunch of people from Ireland. It's like I think they're on vacation. My dad here. It's a pretty nice view, I'll be honest. We made it to Victoria Station. I don't know how to travel here, but we're gonna get a bus, and I think we're gonna go to the hotel first and leave our stuff, and then we're gonna go to the city and walk around. We made it to Victoria Palace. Guys, we left the train station, and now we're just walking. I don't know where we're going right now. My dad has the Wi-Fi and the internet, so he has the map and everything. But it's really nice already. Left the train station, already had a really good impression. It's beautiful. So guys, now me and my dad, we're walking now.
What's up, boys? What's up? It's us.
We're going to Buckingham Palace. We're gonna walk there. It's not too far, so it would be nice. And we'll catch you guys when we're at Buckingham Palace. Ladies and gentlemen, we stopped quick at a little cafe. It's called Cafe Nero. Cafe Nero. It's pretty good. I got hot chocolate with the luxury hot chocolate, and I asked for whipped cream on top, and it's good. It's really good. And right now we're walking to Buckingham Palace. There's a lot of people today because there's a guard change. There's a guard change today, and it happens 4 times a week, and it's gonna be it's gonna be again on Sunday. We'll probably come on Sunday, so you guys gotta stay tuned and watch the videos. We have Big Ben, ladies and gentlemen. The beautiful Big Ben. We've made it to Big Ben. So far, I'm liking England. I'm liking London. It's really nice. I'm hungry. I hope we go eat soon. I think we're gonna go eat. And it's like an hour or something like that. We're gonna walk a bit more, and we'll see what we do from there. Guys, we found the restaurant we're eating at. We're eating at Five Guys. Ooh, let's go. I love Five Guys. It's so good. So I'm gonna order and I'll catch you guys when I have my food. So guys, we got the food. We got Five Guys. So I'm about to eat this. I'm so hungry. So yeah, catch you guys when I'm done. Final bite.
Okay, güey. Está bien caro aquí, güey.
Finish.
Sí, güey, no.
So guys, we're done eating and now we're at the, I don't know what it's called. Comment down below what this is called. It looks like a museum. And it's pretty cool. So far, I'd give London an 8 out of 10. Just because if we were like in the spring, summer, I think it would be a 9. Just the, you know, it's cold. But like, I'd give it a 9 overall. Because, I mean, the statues are beautiful. Everything's beautiful. I just think it's a bit tight, you know, a bit too compact in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. Comment down below if you have been to London and what's your favorite part about London. Guys, we made it to the hotel. Walking up the stairs, going over here. The wind was in my like the whole time. Okay, Aki, can I see it? Can I see the room? There's a room. Oh, no, you were right. It is small, but it's nice. We have a balcony. We have a bathroom. It's not bad at all. What's up, everybody? Guys, now I'm by myself. I'm going to get some groceries, some water, and I think I fit in. He's there. So yeah, we're gonna go get some groceries. I'm gonna go get some groceries, some water, apples. I got a pack of oranges, like mandarins, apples, water, and some tomatoes. And I got it for $11.99. 2 big packs of water. Yeah, I'll catch you guys at home. We're eating some tomatoes, guys. I'm gonna finish this because I'm very hungry. So guys, we're just chilling now. I'm gonna edit a little bit, edit the video, and we'll see what we do from there. Now guys, I'm gonna do some push-ups. So yeah. We got the white jeans, we got the turtleneck, and we got the jacket, the Reeboks, the cross. I think we're looking stylish for today with the side part, with the classic side part. So we're gonna go eat. Me and my dad, we're gonna eat dinner and then walk around. So let's see if we, you know, get some Instagrams. We went to get some stuff for the hotel, a bit of food. We got some Takis, you know, some vegetables, fruits. Now we're just gonna leave it at the house and then we're gonna go eat dinner. So guys, we're here downtown. We got packed low-key. And well, yeah, we're enjoying. We've seen a lot of things. We ate some churros. And now we're gonna go eat dinner. Let me show you guys a bit around. Good night, everybody. Catch you guys tomorrow.